an artiste with his fly down. Whoa. So we have had a ball! Fine young Englishman with his fly down. What can it be? But truly, this evening, like many others on this lovely tour, have unfolded into something very magical and special for us in Fleetwood Mac. And having you guys and girls, ladies and gents, here make all of this possible. We simply cannot do this without you, so thank you so very much. There is never an evening or some crazy afternoon at some strange festival in the middle of nowhere in the afternoon. Needless to say, we would never leave the stage without saying the following from Fleetwood Mac to you. Take care of yourselves, and in this extremely crazy world we seem to be living in, be so kind to one another. And remember, we love you so very much. And remember, the Mac is most definitely better.